Priyanka Shinde and I am BTech engineer from Institute of Chemical Technology, and together we will be going on this interesting journey to learn the English language. So first of all, let us find out what are the types of skills that you require to master the English language, and also the split of marks in the paper. That is the main papers, that's the board paper, 12th standard and the 10th standard paper. Okay, so reading skills are 40%, writing skills 25%, grammar 15%, orals about 20%. Now, what is the main part here? What is the main part in an English language? If you want to learn any language, it is really important that you master the ability to grasp the main base of the language. So what is the base of the English language? The base of English language is grammar. If you know grammar properly, you will be able to write anything, be it letter writing, comprehension skills, paragraph writing, etc. And people are afraid of comprehension, that is, you look at the text and you give some answers to the questions. But comprehension is nothing but big paragraphs. And we will learn that in prose part of the English language. Now, what is poetry? The other part of the English language. Poetry is what is given as an intelligent kind of prose by our writers, including Rabindranath Tagore, etc. And in poetry, we will find some very interesting things like figure of speech, rhyming words, etc. What these are, we will discuss when we go in the details of the English language. Okay? So first of all, let me introduce a word that is often used in the English language. That is vocabulary. Vocabulary. So in short, we will call it vocab, which often teachers also call it. Okay? So what is vocabulary? To master writing a paragraph or even a sentence, you must know the words. The more words you know, the exceptional way your paragraph, your sentences will go. That is what is vocabulary. So one of the main sources, at least in my English language career, is Oxford English Dictionary. If you guys get the time, please go and buy this dictionary. You can also have a digital version of it. It's not too expensive, but it has a lot of words which can be used in daily language. And please also practice this while speaking, read books, stories, etc. Have fun with it. Make mistakes. It's okay. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. Okay? So let's go ahead. You please read new words. Like, there are 365 days in a year. If you do one word every day, you will be able to grasp 365 words. Okay? So let's do it. Now, today I will be teaching you the first lesson in grammar, that is the article. It's the most easiest part of the English language. But you must know it very well where to use article. So article are three, that is a, an and the. Please pay attention to the pronunciations. It is not a and it is not the, which is often done. Okay, it's a. See, the English word a is the Marathi word a, the pronunciation part. And the. Okay. So where is this a and the used exactly? Now there are two parts of alphabets, that is vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Wherever these vowels appear in the start of any word, जेव्हा केव्हा हे vowels कुठल्याही वर्डच्या सुरुवातीला येते, तेव्हा generally you have to use an. Otherwise, it's a and the. Let me give you an example. An ambitious person, an elephant, an intelligence, an ostrich, you know, ostrich bird, and an umbrella. Now there are also some exceptions to it, like a unique character, and we'll talk about this in the next part of the lecture. First, let us talk about how to normally use it. So wherever these words are there in the start of the, wherever these alphabets are there in the start of the word, you use an. Now remaining, there are two articles, that is a and the. Now when we are talking about anything in general, like a plant, I can mean any plant, a rose plant, a lily plant, any kind of plant. I will use the word a plant, a phone, a mobile. That time I am not talking about any specific thing. मी कुठल्याही खास गोष्टीबद्दल बोलत नाही. मी एक जनरल गोष्टीबद्दल बोलते. And if I use the word the, I specifically mean something. The. Now this is my dictionary, so I can say the dictionary. When I am saying the dictionary, I mean one specific dictionary. If I say the pendant, I mean the pendant. That is my pendant. If I say a pendant, I can say I could be talking about any pendants. कुठल्याही गोष्टीबद्दल बोलू शकते. जेव्हा गोष्ट स्पेसिफिक आहे तेव्हा द, आणि जेव्हा गोष्ट जनरल आहे तेव्हा अ. But still, there are some exceptions in this as well, and we will learn about them in the later part of the lecture. So, this is the a, an, and the. That is the articles. Now, we will start the second part of the lecture. That is, what are the exceptions to the articles? Okay. When I want to say the umbrella was a great source of energy, why I am using the umbrella was a great source of energy? Okay, let us learn that. The umbrella was a great source of energy. When I mean the umbrella, here I am talking about a specific umbrella that I am having in my hand. Okay? But a great source. Why did I use a here and the here? Because I mean one umbrella which I had. And sources of energy can be many. It can be the sun, it can be the moon, it can be anything. It can be the way you walk, anything. Source of energy कितीही असू शकतं. इथे मी एक umbrella वरती बोलते, पण कुठल्याही sources of energy मधली ती एक source आहे. So, the umbrella was a great source of energy. Okay? Or, if you want it to be a logical sentence, the electricity was a great source of energy. Okay? So, if I mean something in particular, I am saying the. If I mean something in general, I am saying a. Now, there are some exceptional words, so I will introduce you to them. That is, one word is unique. Here you never use an. It is always a unique. Why? Because here u is not being pronounced. It is unique. Even if it's not there, the pronunciation doesn't contain this properly. These are some exceptional words, and these words are something that you should keep in mind. Okay? And I will introduce the other part of the exceptional words in the next part of my lecture. That is my next lecture. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lecture about articles, what the English language is all about. I hope you guys please order a dictionary and also learn lots of words. And if you guys enjoyed the lecture, please subscribe to our channel, please upvote and keep it up. And my name is Priyanka Shinde. Please give likes, and also please keep enjoying English, keep learning English, keep moving ahead. and all the best.
Download Parivartan app made by Super Excellence Academy to watch more curriculum videos.